This tasty and different starter has two elements, the crispy rabbit spring roll and the tangy spiced tomato chutney. Together, a sublime combination. Wild rabbit will always deliver more flavour. You may need to order yours, it's worth it. Do ask your butcher to skin and prepare this for you. Place the rabbit whole in an oven-proof dish with the garlic, thyme and rosemary and cover with water. Then to the oven at 100 degrees for 10 hours. This slow, long braising will give us the most tender result. Remove from the liquid, keep to one side this stock you have created and allow the meat to cool. Now's the time to make our spiced chutney. For this all-in-one method, chop the tomatoes, chilies and coriander. Everything goes in a pan with the coriander and cumin powder, dried fruit and the white wine vinegar. Simmer away for 25 minutes and it's done. Back to the rabbit. Remove the meat, it should just fall off. Watch out for small bones. Add the spices and mix well. Before making the spring rolls, you should add a little of the stock you kept to moisten the meat and allow the mix to chill. This makes forming the rolls easier. Place a portion of the mix on the pastry and use an egg wash all around to allow the pastry to seal. The best and cheapest place to find spring roll pastry is at your local Chinese supermarket. As you roll, add more egg wash to ensure a tidy result, and this also means a lovely golden finish. You can oven cook the roll, but shallow or deep frying is ideal until golden brown. The presentation of the dish is all about contrasts of flavours, colours and textures. Resting on top of fresh green leaf, the tender wild rabbit encased in a golden crunchy shell. With the deep, rich, spiced chutney. Finally, a Henderson's relish reduction. That's 100 ml of Hendo's, a teaspoon of sugar, reduced by half, and drizzle over, Sheffield style. To crown this dish, enjoy it with a great local ale. The crisp bitter edge will be perfect with the spices and aromas you have created. The Kelham Island pride of Sheffield is our choice, naturally.